Thanks for coming back for part 2 of my street photography POV in Glasgow. Today again I'm using the Fuji XT5 and the 16mm lens. It would be great to know if anybody watching goes out and actually does street photography or planning on getting into doing street photography. If you could leave a wee message in the comments would be great, thanks. This shot here was just a wee quick shot from the hip. I kinda liked the background here. This one here was also shot from the hip using zone focusing. The thing I like about using zone focusing and shooting from the hip is you can get very close to your subject and you can also get some nice angles. Sometimes looking for patches of light to get subjects to walk into them can be good. This first bit I didn't really like the way the light was, so I moved up the street. As you can see, it's better contrasting between the dark and the light. I'm always looking for reflections when I'm doing street photography. I looked at this window here, but I couldn't really see it right here, so I decided to move along a wee bit to this next window, and I seen these pictures of like Highland cows, so I tried to get somebody in the frame with the Highland cow. It would be great if you could like the video and subscribe to the channel. I would really appreciate it. Thanks very much. Again, just another reflection shot here. I like this window because of the bit of the graffiti on it. This next one, I just had to get a quick shot of this person because he had a mask, hood up, hair, and he just looked like an old Scottish toy called a gonk. If you would like to follow us on Instagram, my Instagram is _TC_Richie. So it'd be great if you could give us a follow there too. Here's another bit here I found again. You can see the bit of light coming in with the contrast between the dark and the light. So again, I'm just going to wait for somebody to walk into the light. I've been seeing these cats street art poster things all over Glasgow. Some of them are quite good. And again, as I said, I'm always looking for reflections. It's actually one of my favourite things to photograph when I'm out doing street photography, as you can probably guess.
What's plastic on that, man? What's plastic on that, man?
The reason I like taking reflection shots is because the layers you can get in the shots. Again, this is just another couple of shots from the hip. As in this shot, you can see all the different layers with like the person, the building in the background with the graffiti, then the stuff in the shops, then you can see reflections of the road, so it gives you lots of layers. I like this window for the reflection because it had like this white paint stuff on it to blank out the windows, so it gave it a nice effect. This moment I had to catch really quickly, and it was like a girl jumping onto her big dog. This last shot I really kind of like because it looks like the people are kind of coming towards me in a line. Shot it from the hip at a low angle again. So that's the end of the video now, and thanks for watching, and it'd be great if you could hit the like button, give us a subscribe, and give us a wee comment, just say hi, that would be great. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you again soon.